wanna get better, yeah. Better, yeah. Every day I wanna be just fine, yeah. And the more I wanna cry, this is my calling, yeah. so nice. But I'm sorry, 'cause now I have another angel who is brighter than the morning star, makes me happy all day long. So much because of your harsh treatment. You thought you were the only one who could make me feel so nice. But I'm sorry, 'cause now I have another angel who is brighter than the morning star, makes me happy all day long. Trusting for a second there, and on to the next. Never knew you could have done something like that, giving you a second chance. Oh my bad, but you're doing like you want, and that's it a bad. Trusting for a second third, and on to the next. Never knew you could have done something like that, giving you a second chance. Oh my bad, but you're doing like you want, and that's it a bad. You made me cry and weep so much because of your harsh treatment. You thought you were the only one who could make me feel so nice. But I'm sorry, 'cause now I have another angel who is brighter than the morning star, makes me happy all day long.
If you need to see more on food, music, beauty, fashion, DIY, flying, and so much more, kindly hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that every single time we're going to be making an upload, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for the love and support, and we will see you on the next one. Peace!